I gotta stop crashing this thing, guys. Gotta get a driver in there. It's a basher.
We gotta be careful getting whiskey throttle there. We're bashing it pretty hard, guys. Oh, guys, we're bashing it way too hard. We busted a light out.
All right, guys, I think we're gonna have to end the video right there. Check it out. We got a busted headlight, but we got our window installed. We got our GoPro mount in there, but we did not tighten up the chassis brace, so that video might not be on here. So thanks for watching the channel, guys. I cannot just drop the Infraction on the ground like I always do, so sit on the ground, guys. Please do subscribe to the channel. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later.